Here, let's talk about a true Aussie classic, the meat pie. Ask any Australian, and they'll probably tell you the same thing. No road trip, sports match, or bakery visit is complete without one. It's hot, hearty, and humble, a comfort food with national treasure status. So what exactly is an Australian meat pie? It's a golden, flaky pastry filled with rich, savory meat, usually minced beef or diced steak, simmered in a thick gravy. Sometimes it's just beef and gravy. Other times you'll find extras like onions, mushrooms, cheese, or even chunks of potato. But at its heart, it's all about that satisfying bite. Buttery crust on the outside, warm and meaty goodness on the inside. Meat pies are designed to be eaten with your hands. They're usually palm-sized, easy to carry, and perfect for a quick lunch or a snack on the go. But don't let the size fool you. They pack a punch when it comes to flavor. The pastry is just as important as the filling. A good meat pie has a crispy top crust that flakes when you bite into it, and a sturdy base that holds everything together without going soggy. It's a delicate balance, and when done right, it's absolute magic. You'll find meat pies almost everywhere in Australia, at bakeries, servo stops, sports stadiums, school canteens, and supermarkets. And everyone seems to have their own favorite kind. Some people go for the classic plain beef. Others swear by steak and pepper or steak and cheese. Then there's the chunky steak with red wine, or even the party pie, those mini versions perfect for gatherings and celebrations. And of course, you can't forget the sauce. Tomato sauce, what Aussies call ketchup, is almost a requirement. There's even a special way to do it. Squeeze it right onto the middle of the pie and eat around it. It's part of the ritual, part of the fun. But meat pies aren't just tasty. They're cultural. They're part of everyday Australian life. There's something comforting about biting into a hot meat pie on a cold day, or sharing a box of party pies at a family get-together. They're there at footy games, in lunch boxes, at fundraisers, and even in fancy restaurants where chefs are putting gourmet spins on the classic recipe. Believe it or not, the history of the meat pie in Australia goes way back to colonial times, when European settlers brought over the idea of meat-filled pastries. Over the years, Aussies made it their own, smaller, easier to eat, more suited to the rugged lifestyle. Today, they're so iconic that they're often called Australia's national dish. And just like anything truly loved, meat pies have evolved. Now you'll find pies for every taste. Chicken and leek, lamb and rosemary, butter chicken, even vegan versions with lentils or mushrooms. But whether you like them traditional or with a twist, the essence is still the same, warm, hearty, and satisfying. So the next time you're in Australia, or even just curious to try Aussie-style food, do yourself a favor and grab a meat pie. It's more than just a snack. It's a bite-sized piece of Australian culture, wrapped in flaky pastry and packed with flavor.